Good morning, student. We are starting new chapter for class 8, that is Introduction to Coordinate Geometry. This chapter you are studying first time in 8th class, and you will study this chapter in higher classes like 9, 10, 11, 12. But before start this chapter, we will discuss introduction part of the coordinate geometry. So see, this chapter name is coordinate geometry. The first topic of chapter 22. Before studying this chapter, you have studied this chapter in small classes, but in that class, chapter name was graph. You know how to draw things in graph, but you don't know what is the meaning of coordinate geometry. So, beta, coordinate geometry. You have heard this word many times. Geometry. Geometry consists of geo. Geo means shape. Geo means shape. And metry means measurement. Measurement. So you have studied different shape like triangle, point, line, and you know the measurement of these things also. But here we will discuss that is called coordinate geometry. So I would like to tell you about coordinate geometry. What is the actual meaning of coordinate geometry? Or why mathematicians have discovered coordinate geometry? Once a time there was a mathematician, name was Descartes. It was the mathematician who discovered coordinate geometry. He was sitting on the bed and he was thinking different things. He was looking the tube light, he was looking the fan, and different things like a clock also he has seen. He was looking on the wall. But after that, what he has think, why we have given the location to these things. I have used the tube light in this side of the wall. I have used fan point here. Why? So these things give the topic that is called coordinate geometry. Because coordinate geometry is used to locate the position of any object. So what is coordinate geometry? Coordinate geometry means to locate any point on the plane. To locate any point on the plane, we need two independent informations. We need two independent informations. Or that information is given by a common letter name A and B. Here A will be x coordinate and B will be y coordinate. Before starting the coordinate geometry, you know, or you have studied many times, how to represent, how to locate any point on the number line. Suppose we have to locate any point on the number line. You have studied in previous classes many times. Like this is called number line. This is called number line. Here we will write O means origin, that is the whole number. Then right hand side will be counting 1, 2, 3, 4 positive, and it will be negative -1, -2, -3. Like this, it is called number line. To locate any point on the number line, we need only one point, only one information. information. Means we need only one point. One information means one point. Like I want to represent 2 on the number line. I will circle here. This is the location of 2 on the number line. But in the case of coordinate geometry, in the coordinate geometry, we need 2 independent information. We need, this is called in simple way, coordinate geometry is called to address that point means location of that point is called coordinate geometry. Now we will discuss how to represent numbers on the Cartesian plane. Now we will discuss Cartesian system. This is a very important topic after coordinate geometry, that is Cartesian system. To discuss Cartesian system, we need a plane surface. This blackboard is called plane surface. This plane space divided by 2 lines. This line is called vertical line. This line is called horizontal line. This line is called vertical. Over here we will say that vertical line you can say, and this is called horizontal line. So it means this plane is divided by 2 lines. This line is called horizontal line and this line is called vertical line. And both lines are intersecting at one point, that is called O. O means point will be 0, 0. This is called origin. Where 2 lines will be intersect, horizontal line and vertical line, that is called origin. And another name of horizontal line is x-axis. X-axis and vertical line is y-axis. X-axis and y-axis. Now, in simple word, we can also give the name 0 to right hand side, to x-axis, that is called x, and 0 to left hand side on x-axis, that is called name x dash. This is called y and this is called y dash. Y dash represent negative counting on the number line. So this whole it is the origin, and we will draw here point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the positive direction. Here again in the positive y-axis, negative x-axis, negative y-axis. So dear students, listen very carefully. Now we are discussing very important point, that is called coordinate geometry. What I have told you, coordinate geometry means to locate any point on the graph paper. We need address. Means coordinate geometry, we have to represent only on the graph paper. To represent any point, we need a graph paper. Now, this flat surface means blackboard. For me, my plane is blackboard. Or you are doing in copy, your flat surface is your notebook. Notebook is your plane. This plane is divided by 2 lines or 2 axes, x-axis and y-axis. 0 to positive will be x, 0 to negative will be x dash, 0 to y positive y-axis, and 0 to y dash negative y-axis. Now, but we will discuss Cartesian system. So, what is Cartesian system? Which divide a plane into four parts. Which divide a plane into four parts. And name of four parts is called what? This is called quadrants. This is called quadrants. So according to anti-clockwise direction, it will be first quadrant, it is second quadrant, it is the third quadrant, and it is the fourth quadrant. When we talk about first quadrant, means positive x-axis, it lies between positive x-axis and y-axis, means both signs will be plus plus. And in the second, minus plus. And third quadrant, minus minus. And fourth will be plus minus. So it means Cartesian system is that system which divides the plane into four parts. Name of that part is called quadrants. We will write here first quadrant, second, third, fourth. That will be work according to anti-clockwise of the clock. First quadrant sign will be positive, both x will be positive, y will be positive. Here minus plus, here plus minus minus, and plus minus. Now main topic which we are going to discuss, that is coordinates. After the Cartesian system we will discuss coordinates. We will discuss coordinates. So I will write here. Now we will discuss coordinates. To discuss coordinates we need again graph paper. Because I have told you, without graph paper we can't draw any coordinate. So see, I need one graph paper. Graph paper is my plane surface. Again I have divided into four parts: positive x-axis, y-axis, positive, negative x-axis, positive, negative y-axis. Now I have to represent coordinates. Coordinate is address of a point. What does of all points? Address of all points, that is called coordinate. So see how I will represent a coordinate. I will take any point on this plane surface. I will take point P here. I will take point P here. So see, P coordinate of P. We are discussing location of point P. I have taken here. Now we will talk about coordinate of P. Coordinate of P consists of A and B. Order pair A and B. A is called x coordinate, and B is called y coordinate. And what is x coordinate? As x coordinate is distance along x-axis from origin. This is called x coordinate, or in other words we can say that line parallel to x-axis, that is called x coordinate. And y coordinate, that is called distance along y-axis from origin. This is x coordinate. From the origin, distance along x-axis. Point location of point P, I have given the name coordinate A, B. But in reality, according to graph C, this will be 3. Coordinate of P will be 3, and distance along y-axis from the origin, that is also 3, 3. The coordinate of point P is 3, 3. It means it's the location of point P on the Cartesian system. So to locate any point, we need address. Means we need exact information of point P. So that is given by 3, 3. Means 3 is the x coordinate and 3 is the y coordinate also. Now we represent any more point. We want to identify. Suppose I have taken point A. Point A here. It is a point A. Write the coordinate. What is the question? Write the coordinate of point A. Point A. So see, what is the answer? Coordinate of point A. So I have told you, coordinate consists of x coordinate first and then y coordinate. So see x-axis. X-axis coming from -3 and y-axis coming from -2. So 3, -2. So -3, -2. That is the coordinate of point A. So like this we can find coordinate of any point. Suppose I want to identify any point. Like we have given 3, -5. 3, -5. That is the coordinate of point B. Coordinate of point B. So suppose we have given, identify the, next question, identify the point having coordinate 3, -5. Identify the point having coordinates 3, -5. So see 3, 3, -3, -2. So only point B. So answer is point B. Because point B consists of x coordinate 3 and y coordinate -5. So this, like these questions we can solve in the introduction of coordinate geometry. So at the last I would like to tell you what is coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is used to locate position of any point on the plane and to locate any point on the Cartesian system. We need two independent information. One information given by x coordinate and another information given by y coordinate. So in this chapter we have studied only basic things of chapter coordinate geometry, and we know how to draw points on the graph paper. So we need to draw any point on the graph paper. We need Cartesian system which has 4 parts: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. We have learned science, and like this we can draw any point, maybe positive, negative. Like I want to draw point -1, 0. You see, -1, 0. -1 means x coordinate. You see, x coordinate in the negative direction this side, and 0. 0 means origin. So it is the position -1, 0. Lie only on the x-axis, or that is called negative x-axis. Now last topic is remaining, that is abscissa and coordinates. Any point which lie on x-axis. In other words, we can say that abscissa is x coordinate. Abscissa is x coordinate and coordinate is y coordinate. Simple word you can say that x coordinate is called abscissa and y coordinate is called coordinate. Means all these point numbers which I have written on the y-axis, these all are the coordinate, and these number on the x-axis, that is called abscissa. So dear student, we have discussed today very important chapter of class 8, or that is also part of 9th class. So in this chapter we have discussed all main things which you will use in the higher classes. You have to keep in mind these things. Okay, best of luck for the next class. Bye.